So I'm out trolling for Forex info, you know, because I really want to learn about it. And I come across this guy who has a live feed, and he's called Maxima Investments. I guess he's not a trader, but he's claiming here 1,000 pips a week by trend trading. Okay, listen. I had a scuffle with the guy already. As you can tell here in the comments section, I said sloppy trend lines. He's going to draw some sloppy trend lines for us in a bit. So he immediately goes to my Forex account that I have an FX book, which I traded automatedly. I think that's a term. So he's pretty quick. He goes to this MyFX book, and I don't even know how. I guess this is linked to something. Anyways, this is a demo account that I was trading, and I actually wasn't trading it that much here. I was experimenting. It is a demo account, mind you. And of course, he never commented about the fact that here it's just kind of like not making him much money. And then all of a sudden I started to trade this. I actually did a video while I was trading this. And here, I think I just hit a bunch of orders and just wiped it out. So it's not 8%. But here I'm really, here I just did some, I don't know what, I just, you know, it's an experimental account, right? I mean, if this was real money, you know, this is, and actually in his thing, I asked him when I first logged on to his thing, I said, well, he says to people in the room, believe it or not, he said, well, you know, I'm going to send you a signal. This is $97 a month for this garbage this guy's selling. I'm going to send you a signal. And what I want you to do on the trend trades is just instant execution. When you get the message on your phone, enter the trade. And do not put a stop on it, and do not put a take profit on it. We'll worry about that later. We'll see how that goes. We'll see how the market goes. So, does that sound like a good idea? So I said to him, I said in the chat room, well, then if you don't have a stop, then your account's your stop. And he's like, wait a minute. That's not right. He goes, you're trading too big then. Well, you're not trading big enough. You have to trade a certain size to, and you just you pick your risk up front there. And I think he's just a one lot trader. I'm not sure. Of course, in this thing, he's going to say he adds on to the position. He's already presupposing so much garbage. I mean, this guy's probably been trading all of like a year. I don't even know. It's just hilarious. But some other traders sent me a thing on this guy named Chaos Trader 63 or something, saying this guy's a bozo. This guy out bozos him. Okay, this guy out bozos even a cloud trader. And when you watch this guy go through his analysis, there's just stuff that just crack you up. Like if you've been trading even like, I don't know. Apparently there's just there's so much, there's such a vacuum for people that they're looking for info, right? And you can watch my stuff for free, but a lot of people wouldn't, just because, well, I don't have a bunch of, I guess I'm not hunting for customers, and I'm not charging. So people think, well, he's not charging. Obviously, he's just some fucknut. Look at his 80% down. He doesn't know what he's talking about. He doesn't have a following, so obviously he's just a complete idiot. But watch this guy. You think I'm a fucking idiot? Watch this guy.
All right, weekly candle. All right, weekly candle. All right, man. That's all right. That's all right. Yeah. So this guy's stalling because he's so fucking lax. He can't even comment on his own shit. So we got some sort of, a little W pattern here.
Now, mind you, we're in an uptrend on the weekly right here. 1,000 pips a week, don't forget. Does any market move what are you trading? What are you trading? The Mexican peso? What is this guy trading? He'll make 1,000 a week. What?
All right, so let's do a little trend line here. Okay?
A little trend line here.
A little trend line here. Okay, this is bad, man. This is really bad. All right. This is bad because they're kind of tricking you here with this setup, all right? But I don't want to jump into conclusions. All right, so here's on the daily.
Okay,
Right?
wait a
See what
second.
they
Wait a
did here
second.
on
This
the
is
daily
too good to
with
be
this
true.
little-
Now, this speaks to a lot of psychology of he's probably not alone. They're tricking you. This is not the mindset to trade with. They're tricking you.
nice spike and all this craziness, right? So it's kind of ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. All this spiking and crazy. Listen, that's your entry. I asked the guy in the chat room, I don't know if I already mentioned this. I asked the guy in the chat room, are you entering on a stop, market, which is instant, or on a limit order? No reply. I asked him again. No reply. He says, any questions in the room, please? He never mentioned. The only thing he says is that on the trend trades, we get in instantly. And then what we do there is we just sit back and see what happens. I swear to God, verbatim. I'm going to put the link to this video. If you don't believe me, watch the whole video. $97 a month. You can join the team, right? Because he's got a team. And he also does, like, he supposedly makes 20% a month. You give him $500 and he's going to give you back he's going to give you back 20% a month. He's risking 15% a month, I think it says. So I think you're at 5%. I don't know. But if you would take any advice from somebody that even has no, like, he's just winging it. Listen, you put a gun to my head on a chart. If you walk me into any chart on the planet, you should be able to. I can do it. You should be able to just look at any chart and go, okay, well, maybe I shouldn't buy right here or sell right here, but where is the outskirts of town? Where I have to sell high to make money and I have to buy low to make money. Where do I get in? It shouldn't be hard to find that and pick out he doesn't know how many pips this thing's trading in. This guy can't be serious. Like, he doesn't even know.
And ridiculous, right? They have a million ways that they use to trick you.
A million ways to trick you. Dude, if you haven't figured out that you got to be the market maker. You got to trick people like you that are tricked.
Right? So you got to be very careful here, right?
You got to be very careful anywhere, even crossing the street, okay?
We already have this trend line here. We can do another trend line, dude. We can do
Dude, man, bro. Okay, go for it.
Another one from here. Dude, God, it's not this one that I want to
do. Oh, no.
Dude. Oh, wait.
Dude.
Wait 1 second. I want to come from this spike to that spike. All right, I want to do this. All right?
I said these are sloppy trend lines. Come on, this is stupid.
All right, I want to do these little spikes. All right? Think of this as a minor support, okay? Minor support. We don't really care about this. It's kind of a midpoint. It don't matter. It's still, let's calculate how many pips away is that. That's 26 pips, all right? All right, that's cool. Dude. All right, let me do one more line here. But I want to come on a 4-hour. All right, I want to come on a 4-hour. Dude, and I want to do... Dude, why does it fucking make... I hate it when you got these spikes and it kind of makes your lines useless. You know?
Is this guy kidding, man? How is it that you're able to... Now, at $97 a month, does this guy... What's his IQ? Big enough to scam you for $97 a month.
You know, when it makes your lines useless, I hate that.
Makes your lines useless. No, that's something you're doing. He doesn't like the market. He don't like the spikes. Dude. This is your entry. Let me show you something here. Hopefully he's watching my critique of his nonsense. Dude, you see this? Even this white line, which looks like about, I don't know, a 10 period moving average or an 8, it's pretty tight. Dude, put a sell limit here. Dude, those wicks are your entry. You're in a downtrend, dude. And who's not buying here? Now, what? God, I mean, just incredible. So let me go back to his thing here. get out of drawing mode here. Okay. Let's go back to his video.
All right, but let's kind of use this. All right, so this works as protection. All right, this works as protection. What am I saying?
Protection. That line's protection? Are we on the same planet? This is a 4-hour chart. This fucker just drops. In 20 hours, it drops like 100 pips, right? The volatility's insane, dude. Wait, protection.
All right, this is all my analysis. All right, this is I'm happy with this analysis actually.
He's happy with this analysis, actually. Yeah, dude.
Okay.
Like, I'm so sure. Whatever. He's from Portugal or something. Did they really talk like? I guess the Valley Girls went over there.
No, actually, let me try one more thing.
Yeah, you know what? No, I was happy with it, but let me just try one more thing. Don't forget to sign up for my service.
Let me do some fibs here. Okay, let me do some fibs here.
Oh, yeah, throw some fibs on there. You know what? I like a little bit of garlic. Hey, you got any sea salt? That's good, too.
All right, now I got some fibs.
As long as you got your fibs, dude. I mean, I'll tell you what, man. Dude, man, bro. When I got fib, I'm all over it. Fuck the trend. Fuck stops.
All right, so we already broke all this crap. All right, let me delete.
Don't talk about my market like that. I ain't crap, buddy. This is serious stuff here, man. Only serious traders, please.
This, it all makes sense. All right, it all makes sense for me.
Whoa. Yikes.
So, okay, dude, let me see if you got any questions. All right, back to this.
I did, but you didn't answer it. I asked you twice. How are you getting in these markets? He's still not going to tell you. Watch.
All right. Here's the play on this baby. Okay?
Okay.
If you already have the money team template and indicator and all that stuff, beautiful. You don't need this line. Okay? This line is only for the ones that don't have
the money team. It's a money team.
The money team.
Did he just say the money team? I thought it was the PIP team. That's the name of my group. I'm a PIP team, buddy. Look, did you join the PIP team? Not yet. Still saving up.
Template and indicator. Okay? So I'm going to delete this.
Thank God.
Here's what you're going to wait for. Okay?
Wait for it.
If you get a bounce here.
Well, why don't you just fucking buy it there then? This is what I ask everybody in these videos. Well, just, you know.
If you get a bounce, all right, we are likely going to retrace a little bit and push down.
Why? Who says? Let's watch this trade into the future next week, people. It's in a fucking uptrend, you idiot, on the weekly.
Okay, most likely we're gonna break through all of this crap. It's crap, it don't matter.
It's crap, it don't matter. Dude, it's a log jam. It's a bunch of support levels. Seriously? Are you serious? Come on.
Okay, and we're gonna come here. Okay? Until, so there's two things. You do not sell it right now.
Why not? You're trading without stops. Just fucking sell it. What a pussy. Put your stop up there so they can grab it and take it down, right? How is this guy not... Are these people not seeing that it's these areas? You want to start buying as soon as it goes here so you can catch it on the way back. This arbitrary line here, he doesn't even tell you. Well, but he did put a fib on that. Oh, okay. Jeez, my bad. Well, what are you going to do? Oh, his system stalls out here. He loses his feed. I can't see if I'm tracking this or not. Wait for him to get to the end of the chart.
Support, then you can sell, right? God damn it! What, dude? These lines gotta be, these lines gotta be nice, man. They gotta be nice, all right? Your first take profit is
now I just redrew that line in a completely different place. He redrew that line in a completely different spot. This is why I said it's just sloppy. The view that he's looking at here is so wide for that setup. How in the hell? And then the people in the room asking him questions that have probably never traded in their life. And they're just grist for the mill. This guy's just going to chew them up at $97 a month. Well, that's part of the learning curve. Part of the learning curve is that life is do-it-yourself project. Listen, put $100 in a trading account. Trade a 1K. You'll figure out real quick how to make money. Just start trading. Figure, well, you know what? If you lose everything, go back and see, gee, what you did wrong. Or just, why don't you just trade buy at support and sell at resistance? This guy never speaks about ratios, stops. Nothing. There's nothing. It's incredible. He did say risk 2% of your account. But like most of these bozos, they're going to risk 2% on one trade and go, well, this guy, I got a signal from the signal service.
Going to be on this trend line, okay? It's going to be on this trend line. So you sell when it breaks here. First take profit is going to be on this trend line, okay? It's going to be about 20, 25 pips, right?
Wow. What happened to 100 pips? How are we going to get to 1,000 pips a week with these pussy trades here? Does anybody see a problem with this thing here? Like, what? Yeah, we can get out this line that I just arbitrarily drew.
When a 1 hour candle, all right?
But dude, you're on the 4-hour chart.
Closes below this trend line, okay? Then you sell it again.
Really? So when that 1 hour candle closes below that trend line, you sell it again. Is anybody going to watch this through the next week to see how this played out? There's literally, I mean, this guy's just a kid. He's probably been trading 6 months. He's in diapers.
Right? Then you sell it again. And you're going to go for the full take profit, which is here.
Now you're going to go for the full Mahoney, right? Does this look even possible? Has anybody noticed on here that this move here and this move here, I mean, this is a tremendous, we've already moved this far. So we're just going to come back up here and just in a market that is in, go look at the daily there. This is, really? I don't even know what that price is down at the bottom. I think it's like, what is that? It's going to 73. I mean, come on, man.
Take profit too is going to be this lower trend line. Okay, does that make sense? All right, so that is the setup. Now, if we bounce off of this line here, right? If we bounce off of this line here, off of this support, and go up.
Oh, this is going to be precious. This is my favorite part of these videos.
I don't recommend you buy it. Okay? I don't recommend you buy it. I recommend you stay aside. Okay? Yes, you can make money.
Yes, you can make money, but that's not the point. The point is being right. Okay, so you want to be right. This guy's ego is so fucking big. I hope my ego's bigger than his, though. But where is the stuff he's telling me that I'm going to go, wow, that's really insightful. I've never thought of that. This is almost like playing chess against somebody that doesn't know how to play. Did you ever play chess against a 5-year-old? They just start moving the pawns out. They think they're marching into war. And you're trying to play a fucking standard game of chess. That's what it's like watching this guy do analysis.
Right? Yes, you can make money if it bounces and going up. You can make, maybe 50 pips or whatnot.
Okay, you can make me 50 pips, but he'd rather make that 20 pips on the way down. You see how that's working? You see how this guy, it's just incredible. Isn't this just incredible? And he's telling me, look at that demo you blew up. You're down 80%. I don't even know if I still got that demo. I should log back on and build it back from 20 all the way to, and then send him a link on, look what I did. And he's like, if I had made a bunch of money in that demo, you know what he'd say? Dude, it's a demo. Dude, it's a demo.
Yes, you can. But it is counter trend. And I never.
Counter trend. Okay, I think he thinks it's in a downtrend here. When you see a fast move like this, here's a clue. Here's a freebie I'm going to give away. You see a fast move like that? This is the trend. Fast moves are corrections. Correction. Look at this total correction. How does this trend trading work for him? In counter trend trading, what? It all makes money, man. Volatility, when it gets like this, when the market gets like this, and 80% of it's range trading, he's making 1,000 pips a week. Trend trading. I could say, if he's made a said I'll make 1,000 pips a week range trading, I'd say, yeah, you can do that. Because the market may go up and down 200 pips a day for 5 days. That could happen.
Never recommend you trade counter trend. Right?
But that's what he's doing.
It is, especially if you're new to this, right? It's better.
Oh, if you're new to this, hey people, listen. You newbies out there, you beginners, I'm tell you what. Beginner's luck. Like I said, Mark Douglas says it's a carefree state of mind, not a careless state of mind. And when you have that carefree state of mind, you're in the zone and you're making money because you don't care.
Or if you only go in the direction of the trend. All right? Does that make sense? Hopefully it makes sense. All right? Hopefully it makes sense. I can do another line here if you guys get confused.
Hopefully. Well, how condescending. Well, I would never get it had you not explained it.
All right? If you guys get confused, I'm going to do another line here. Okay.
Not that I'm not condescending to people that sell bullshit for 97. I love that $97. Well, dude, it's not 100. Go for the Walmart price. Was it 98, 88?
I'm going to do another line here. All right.
All right.
And I'll delete this. And I'll delete this. And here's what I want to happen. I want to break off that. I want it to come here. Retest that. And come lower. Okay. This is.
Wow. So you just redid everything here. Now I got a news story.
What I want to see happening for this.
Well, what you want, what the market wants, may be entirely different things. And this guy's claiming he's like just killing it. He's 90% accurate.
Setup to be valid. All right. Are we clear? Guys, come back, watch the replay. If it doesn't make sense, right? If you can't draw the lines right now, don't worry. The replay will be available in probably like 30 minutes or so. Just give time for YouTube to make this available. Okay. Do these lines. This is what I'm expecting. Again, if there is a retrace, do not buy it. Wait until it comes back down. Okay. Wait until it comes back down. If this happens, if we get a bounce off of this, all right? Sounds
very precise. I get it. I'm all over it, dude.
Good. Everybody clear on this?
And this is where
I don't want to look at anything else.
This is where I've told them that
I'm done. I'm done. All right?
He doesn't want to look at anything else. That's all he's ever looked at. That's all he's ever looked at. In the beginning, when you see this video, it's like 2 hours, literally 2 hours of nonsense. The guy says nothing. They didn't save the comments in the window, so you can't see me asking him, so like, where do I get in, where do I get out? Just crickets. Nothing. Has nothing to say. Anyways, yeah, just, you know, man, just, it's probably people are going to sign up for it. What are you going to do, right? Hey, look at this guy. Nice guy, dude. Hey, I'm a dude. $97 a month. Join the team. Oh, okay. I'm all over it.